Welcome students. From Dean Cambridge School System, I am Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn English and it's our lecture number 13. And in this lecture we are going to learn K. It's the capital form of K and it's the small form of K. Look at this students. It's a kitten. It's a kitten. The phonic sound of K is K as in kitten. K for kitten. K for kitten. Look at this picture. It's a key. K for key. K for key. And in this picture there is a kite. K for kite. K for kite. And in this picture it's a kiwi. It's a kiwi. Students, you know that kiwi is a small flightless bird and it found in New Zealand. Kiwi is a flightless bird and it found in New Zealand and it has no tail. It has no tail. Okay? You have to practice the capital form and the small form of K on your notebooks. Okay? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.